लफड़ा हो गया लगता है, लफड़ा.
To accept that she is always right.
And this is the breakfast. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So today I'm leaving early from home. It's 7 a.m. Baby and Hriday are asleep, and yeah, here goes my alarms. I had actually put multiple alarms, if you can hear, so that I don't wake up late. Luckily I woke up on time, and now I'm on my way to the venue. I have two events lined up for the day. I have an engagement function, and then in the evening I have a communion function. Both are in Andheri, just a distance of 5 minutes, so that's something nice for me. I don't have to run around here and there. And now I am hungry. I'm looking out for some breakfast. On the way, in case I find, I'll stop in to hog into something. And you guys have an amazing Sunday. Oh, I forgot the dialogue. To bagu acha divas kasa jato. Some road construction going on there. Road repairs, to be precise. And because of that, I couldn't enter there to park my car. So I had to park my car here. Now let's get in and then leave. लफड़ा हो गया लगता है, लफड़ा. यही होता है ऊबर ओला वाले ना. They don't even know how to drive the car, and then they are on the road, and that becomes a problem. They don't have any traffic sense, कुछ नहीं. So I just reached the venue. This is Tunga International in Andheri East, and they have done up the place really very well now. I'll show you how the venue looks. It's 9:18 and people are already here. What the hell? Look at this. This is how the venue looks. Really pretty. Now this backdrop. Beautiful. So there is a restaurant on the ground floor. So I'll go and have breakfast there. I'm early which is supposed to start by 11 a.m. It's already 9:15, so I am way too early. Have some breakfast and enjoy myself. So I've come to this place called as Vihara. Let's see what's special here. So this is what you get in the buffet for breakfast, and this is the a la carte menu. So I've gone for this buffet, morning breakfast buffet, and it seems you have masala dosa, sada dosa, idli, medu vada, shira, upma, poha, jalebi, fakda. Basically everything. If you go individually, they cost around 105, 120 bucks each. So I am a breakfast guy. I have a heavy breakfast, so I want to have a lot of stuff. So in 290 rupees plus GST plus service charge, it's coming up to 350 bucks, which is quite reasonable. And I'm going to hog in a lot. So today I guess I'm going to have only this and nothing the entire day. I just moved my table. I wanted to be in a cozy spot so I can talk to you guys, and luckily I did get one. And it is crowded here since it's a Sunday. There are a lot of people out here having this amazing breakfast. I'll show you how the restaurant looks. This of course is the AC section, and that's the non-AC section. As you can see, it's crowded. So my lemon tea is here, And this is the breakfast. There's everything here. There's poha, there's upma, shira, idli, and sambar. So I guess the medu vada is missing, but something good. I like this. So first come first, I'm gonna taste in the upma. Whoa, it's really good. Wow.
Ask them to check the nose landing gear and ground size. Okay.
Really fantastic. Loving the upma, loving the upma. Oh. Time to taste some poha. Nah. I've never liked poha. I'm not a fan of poha, so no. But this upma is too good. Fantastic. And of course my lemon tea. Oh, too good, too good. Next on the item list is idli. Now dip it in chutney. Decent. Let's taste the shira. Pineapple shira. Not bad. Really good. My Sunday is going good. I'll ask for medu vada now. मेरे को ये उपमा मस्त लगा, तो उपमा दे दो और मेदू वड़ा. हाँ.
इडली चाहिए आपको?
नहीं, इडली नहीं चाहिए. I really love the upma. Medu vada is here. Time to taste this now. Medu vada needs to be dipped in sambar and then in the chutney. It's too good. I'm loving the breakfast here. Time to taste the jalebi fafada. Jalebi fafada. Too good. So guys, I am now at the venue and I have to tell you this. I had an amazing breakfast down, and let me tell you what all I had. Okay, so if you remember, in my plate I had poha, I had upma, I had an idli, I had the sambar and the chutney. Of course we had the jalebi fafda, and of course with that I had my lemon tea. Now I had entirely everything in that plate except for the poha. And then additionally I ordered 2 more plates of upma, then 2 more medu vadas, bread butter came in, and of course extra jalebi fafda as well. So wo sab, if you go to see what all I had 2 idlis, I had 4 medu vadas, 2 slices of bread butter, then 3 plates upma and jalebi fafda and 3 lemon teas. ये सब मिला के my bill came up to 290 rupees was the buffet thing, plus obviously their service charge and GST. It came up to 320 rupees only. So imagine, had I gone for a la carte, that would have been on a higher hand, but luckily it wasn't in this case. So 320 rupees for a lavish breakfast, and definitely worth it. So you should go and check out that place without any doubt. So guys, today's DJ with me is DJ Sahil in the house. We're working for the first time, and we'll see how it goes. He seems to be a good chap, so everything will work wonderful. The crowd has come in already, and waiting for now the couple to come in. It's going to be a different function that I usually MC. Non-Catholics, one, and they are South Indians from Kerala. So I hope I'll be able to, engage with them and pray that everything goes good. Usually I always see one diya to be lit, but here there are three. Something different, something different. Decor looks good as always.
To cook for her once in a while, once in a blue moon. To accept that she is always right. To take her at least 2 international trip every year. If someone sponsors. Never forget the above rules. Mere pyare Abhidev Chiju. Someone. So we can take a photo of this.
Yeah, and then sign it also.
Yeah, let them. There's the marker.
Where's the pen? Alright, all set to sign, all set to sign. Look at that. Deal is done, ladies and gentlemen. Let's clap for them. Come on, everybody. Whoa, hold it. Click the nice pictures. So I just got done with the engagement function and I changed there at the venue. And now I'm in my car. I'm right outside my second venue, but since I'm way too early and I know the ACs won't be turned on at this moment, I thought let me sit and edit the vlogs. And I thought I'll watch up Grown Ups again. That's one of my favorite movies, so I'll watch that as well. So I'm a bit hungry, and for that I've ordered from Wow Momos. I didn't want to have anything else because of the fact that I had a heavy breakfast, so this is something light and this is something tasty as well. So I'm gonna have some momos right now, and I'm watching Grown Ups 2. I finished watching Grown Ups 1 and I'm enjoying whatever is happening here. Only thing is I still have 1.5 hours to go for my next venue, and that's when I removed my lens as well. I couldn't wear those lenses for that long because it will be more than 12 hours then. So I took them off, and right now I'm going to enjoy my momos and watch Grown Ups. So I've given the car now to the valet guy and waiting for my bags. We are at Kohinoor Continental. They'll be checking everything. This is the best part. Look at this. This is what I like. My bags, my bags, my bags, my bags. Thank you. Banquet hall, Sheila. Thank you. So we need to check. This is how it is. I like comparing here. Really very beautiful. Really amazing. The best part are the staircase. Today I'm going to ask Eldridge. So today's photographer is Eldridge. I'm going to ask him to click some photos here. Oh God. And that's the child's name. Haley's communion function. So I guess it's pink and white. Good. I wore a pink sherwani only for the same. Oh, they have made an amazing backdrop. This is the pool area. Show you the entry and all. This looks good too. This decor looks really amazing. Perfect. And this is how it looks from here. The seating, nice. I'll go and freshen up. I haven't done that as yet.
Quickly. You're at the back forward. You were there the entire time. Last track you need to be here. Yes, yes, yes.
Hey guys, I'm back home. Extremely tired, and I had an amazing time comparing both the events. In the afternoon, I had an engagement. In the evening, I had a communion function. Both went amazing, bang on. And baby and they are sleeping. I just came home very late. I I'm just extremely tired, guys. So I'm dozing off to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. असं होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.